Hey folks, imagine a city where every rooftop, every corner, every square foot is harnessing the power of the wind and the sun. Welcome to Singapore's energy future with ASW Repowering. ASW Repowering is turning Singapore into a blueprint for urban energy transition. This isn't just any renewable energy solution. We're talking about patented hybrid power plants that combine wind and solar energy in a way that's perfect for urban environments. Engineered with precision, these power plants activate with just a gentle breeze of 1.0 m/s. They feature high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels and carbon aluminum rotors, all controlled via a sleek app. It's like having a powerhouse on your rooftop with minimal space requirements. Singapore's strategic advantage: the Green Plan 2030, smart city incentives, and strict building regulations like BCA Green Mark. Limited space, immense potential. Perfect for creating urban micro-energy islands. Here's the game plan. Phase 1. 3 showcase installations from 2025 to 2026. Phase 2. Expand to over 10 buildings and construction partnerships by 2026. Phase 3. Take ASEAN by storm with a licensing model starting in 2027. ASW Repowering isn't just green, it's ESG compliant and scalable. We're targeting project developers, municipal utilities, and impact investors. It's validated by experts like Fraunhofer ISA, TNO, and NTU Singapore, from Garden City to Energy City. ASW Repowering is bringing innovation from Germany, engineered in Thailand, and tailored for Asia. Let's power the future together. For more info, connect with us on LinkedIn or reach out directly. Let's make the energy transition happen.